Okay, so what we've got here is a Catalina scrambler. It's a Gold Star DBD34, but it's not a 500, it's a 600. Been bored out. It's got a Phil Pearson crankshaft, so it's a pressed up crank instead of riveted up crank. Yeah, we got on this, it's got an oil filter, it's got an electronic ignition, then it runs on a concentric carburettor. It's on low compression, so I can kick it over quite easily without a decompressor. So I'm just going to fire it up for you so you can hear it.